I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, this piece of hardware would cost you $30. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. Okay, so this adapter will convert between the SCT threads on the back of many SCT telescopes down to a T2 thread. And so this is an M42 thread, and it will typically attach to an adapter ring that would attach to a camera. And so this allows you to hook your camera directly to the back of an SCT telescope using this T2 tube. Now the interior of this is matte coated, and it has some kind of threading ridges in there, so the idea is that it will not promote bouncing of light within there. So, you know, they kind of act as little super mini baffles, if you will. And this piece here is separate, and it rotates so that you can set your camera up exactly in the orientation you want and then tighten this down. And if you need to change the orientation, you loosen this slightly, you rotate your camera, you tighten it up again. Now you might need some extension tubes. This gives you 50 millimeters of extension right here, about 2 inches extension. If you need more than that, you can add extension tubes to get the right amount of back focus for your camera. And as you can see when I put this on, these threads here mate and match just perfectly with these T2 threads, the M42 threads on my camera adapter. So the material on this is black anodized aluminum. You can see this magnet isn't sticking at all to it.